Kuria tukurehete PPEs cia guteithia arigitani a thibitari ino ni undu wa kwirigiriria magithondeka arwaru a COVID-19. Bodi ya Kenya COVID-19 Fund nironire hamwe na Equity Group Foundation tuongerere uteithio uria turaheaga thibitari 56 cia thirikari nicio twitaga county referral na national referral hospitals, tuciongerere thibitari 60 cia faith based kana mission hospitals niguo tukorwo twihariirie muno ati variant kana wave number 4 ingituika neguka uria iratanywo mweri wa Julai, tukorwo twina arigitani a kuigana thibitari-ini cia thirikari na thibitari-ini cia mission na niguo mahote gutangikira andu aitu.
Most of our clients are peasant farmers, and having affordable services is something very key for the people around here. We are able to also provide compassionate care because there are times that patients come in and they don't have the finances to cater for the services. And I remember one case in particular where a mother came in. She lives in the community. She's a tip lacquer. She was not able to foot the bill. The hospital was able to waive. And not only did it do that, but the staff, out of the kindness of their heart, they contributed some amount to give to her to send her home, and also some clothing for the baby. So the hospital has really gone a long way in providing care for this community. We do not want to forget to thank you very much for your generous support in terms of the PPE. It will really help us as a hospital.